An unclear or smudged seal impression could cause a notarized document to be rejected or possibly even challenged in court. If your notary stamp ink smears or doesn't show clearly on a document, there are two easy ways to correct the flawed impression. Option 1 is to place a second seal impression near the bad one. Make sure the new stamp impression is not touching the flawed one and that it is clear enough to read and photocopy. If space is tight, you can make your impression sideways, as long as it's not in the document's margins. Option 2 is to attach a separate notary certificate with a clear stamp impression. If a second seal impression won't fit, you can attach a separate notary certificate, sometimes referred to as a loose certificate. Make sure you line through the wording with the smudged impression, then complete and attach a new notary certificate with a proper stamp impression. Remember, you should never try to fix a bad impression with a pen or ink because it could be interpreted as document tampering and may invalidate the notarization. To learn more, click the link below